This 2023 Lance TT1475 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Adamsburg, Pennsylvania, 15611 and is offered for sale by RV Leaders and Camping Outlet. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 16 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, leveling jacks, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, external shower, skylight, TV, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Lance TT1475 is 3,225 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.